is your real estate professional, and I have the best toy in town. If you're looking for a cuddly teddy bear for your nephew, cousin, niece, or even for yourself, it is so warm and fuzzy. We have it in different colors. Here I have the brown, which is the most popular color, but you can find more on my website, www.shatayhendricks.com. Thank you for your time.
So your website, I don't even know what it was, www. Yeah, so you've got to slow down, especially when you're using letters that may sound like a different letter. You may say S, but it sounds like F. So you have to slow down. Give us that website again, please.
At www.shatayhendricks.com.
Okay, so how do I spell Shatay? That's the thing. That's the thing. www.shatayhendricks.com. That's Shatay, S as in Sam. You've got to slow down. So that's effective communication when you make sure that what you say is understood. That's effective communication. You don't want to just talk and 80% of the people don't even get it. That's ineffective. So slow down that website. That's your real website?
It's something I made up.
Okay, slow down the website, because I was about to give you a plug, you know what I'm saying? Slow down the website and make sure we get it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You start at the end.
You may find the stuffed animal at,
You may find this stuffed animal at www.shatayhendricks.com. That's Shatay, S as in Sam, H as in hotel, A alpha, T tango, alpha, Y Yankee, Hendricks.com.
okay, Hendricks, Hendricks, C as in cat, K.